Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show y'all how to quickly and easily create hair and eyelash extension pro forma financial projections using my hair and eyelash extension business plan templates. So the way this video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to get ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that, I am then going to go ahead and walk you all through my Excel financial model portion of my hair and eyelash extension business plan templates. So in that financial model, I'm going to show you all where to put your information for your customer sales, number of customers, average price, and I'm just going to walk you through the financial model, show you all how to use it. And in the end, once you've done putting in your information, voila, your financial projections for the next 12 months as well as annually for the next 5 years will be ready to go. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and mosey on through this little PowerPoint presentation that I've got concocted for your listening and viewing pleasure. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, also owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do need some help writing your business plan, you don't want to mess around with the template, you just want a professional to do it for you, I am the man for the job. If you have written your business plan or you've already created your financial projections, you just need somebody to help y'all, tweak it a little bit. I do offer some mentoring services. And then finally, I do offer financial projections. So if your business plan, like I said, is ready to go, but your financial projections, those pesky little things give you some problems, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you as well. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. I've published several books on business plan writing, and I do have over 6,600 followers on YouTube. So I've got a little bit of a following there and some writing practice and published books as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance, so I have some academics backing up my thoughts and ideas for my business plan templates and my financial models as well. All right, so with that said, here is the star of the show, which is my financial model for the hair and eyelash extension business plan template. So when you do, or if you do buy my hair and eyelash extension business plan template, it comes with a Word document as well as this financial model. Now the Word document, I do have a separate tutorial for that. Shows you what's in the Word document and the components and how to make some changes to that. But this video is focused on the financial model aspect. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you all through the financial model, show you all how to use it, what changes to make, and so on. All right, so when you do purchase it and you download the Excel financial model and you open it up, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see 4 tabs, which is going to be your information page. This is where you're going to make all your changes in these darker blue color cells. And then what we do have is going to be a projection page, and this projection page just summarizes various aspects of the financial projections, the revenues, the costs, and the profits, and then it has a nice little chart right here for some highlights. The next tab is your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months. It's broken into quarterly, month 1 through 3, month 4 through 6, 7 through 9. And then if we go over a little bit further, then we've got month 10 through 12. And once you update all of the information in the information page, these all these financials will update as well. And then finally, your income statement for the next 5 years would be on this tab right here. And once you're all updated with your information page, then what you'll do is you go ahead and copy this right here, and then copy it and then paste it into the Word document portion of the business plan template. Now, in order to go ahead and get all those financial statements updated, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and start with your daily sales. So the way that I break this down, the way that I structure this is we start with average customer sales. How many customers are you going to be working with for both hair and eyelash extensions? What is the average, what's the average number of customers you'll be working with daily? In this example, I'm saying it's going to be 14. The next step is, what is your average price for services? So you might go ahead and you might do 7 eyelash extensions and 2 hair extensions. Well, it might average out that each customer is dropping about $115. So whatever the average is per customer, you're going to want to put it here. And then your variable cost is how much does it cost you for the hair extensions and how much does it cost you for the eyelash extensions. And whatever your average variable cost is, you're going to want to put it here. The next section is going to be your operating days per week. If your shop is going to be open 7 days, put 7. If you're going to be open 6 days, put 6. If it's going to be 5 days, put 5. Whatever days, however many days you're going to be working a week, you're going to want to put that information right there. Next is going to be your salary for the labor section, how much you're going to pay yourself and your management team, whatever it is, you'll want to put it right here. And then for employees, how many employees are you going to have? If you're going to have 4 employees, then put 4 employees there. And then what is their average pay? For this example, I'm saying it's about $15. And if you're going to have your employees full time, it's going to be 172 hours. If it's going to be part time, that's going to be 86 hours. So however many hours they're going to work, you're going to want to put it right there. The next section is going to be your startup cost. The way that I break this down is the first 2 lines is going to be your investment. How much money are you coming out of pocket, which is going to be your equity investment. And then if you're going to take out a loan, that information will be right here underneath the equity investment. Now, if you are taking out a loan, whatever that loan amount is, for example, $150,000, when you put that number here, it will also populate down here in the loan information section. And then what you do is you go ahead and put in whatever your interest rate is going to be. And what is the term? It's going to be a 5 years, it's going to be 10 years, it's going to be 15 year or 20 year, whatever the term is, you're going to want to put it here. Once you put this information in, your payment will then be calculated. And then also it'll populate through your profit and loss statement as well as your income statement. The second section of your startup cost is going to be your actual cost. So if you have $200,000 up here, where's the money going to be spent in these categories? And so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and divvy up your information, your categories from your startup cost. And the startup cost categories are going to be your build out and or purchase, working capital, inventory, advertising, hiring, office equipment, miscellaneous, and licenses, and so on. Now, the only 2 labels that cannot be changed are these 2 labels right here. You're going to need your working capital, and if you don't have a build out, then just put 0 and then rearrange your categories as needed. These categories right here, these labels can be changed as you see fit, and then of course the dollar amounts can be changed to meet your needs as well. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost, how much you're paying in rent, utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting and legal, advertising, and then your catch-all other. So if your rent's going to be $3,000, you just type that in, and this nice little chart right here will update, as well as it'll populate throughout your financial projections. Next section is going to be your miscellaneous information, specifically your tax rate, how much you anticipate paying in taxes. You'll put that right here. The next section is going to be your growth rate. So what do you think your sales are going to grow for the year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5? And then these are your various growth rates for your cost. Yeah, and then once you put all this information in here, you'll be set, ready to go. Usually it shouldn't take you about 15-20 minutes to use this financial model. And then once all this information is ready to go, it's populated, then all you got to do is just copy and paste your financial projections into your into the Word document portion of the template. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. And so in summary, if you do buy my hair and eyelash extension business plan template, it does come with a Word document as well as a tutorial for that Word document, and the tutorial is separate from this video. It also comes with the basic financial model, which I just showed y'all, and this is the tutorial for that financial model. There are some restrictions though. The hair and eyelash business plan template is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. If you do have a Mac, but you have Office 365, well, then you're good to go. But it doesn't work with Apple Pages or Numbers or anything like that. And then finally, if y'all do need help, or if y'all do have any questions about what's included in my hair and eyelash extension business plan template, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to answer any and all questions about my template before you purchase the document. After you purchase the hair and eyelash extension business plan template, then I would refer you to the tutorials. I do have free tutorials on how to use my templates, or you can go ahead and you can pay me an hourly rate, and I do provide mentoring services for using my template. I also provide, if you want me to actually complete the template for you, I do provide that service as well, and there's a fee for that too. All right, and then finally, if you do want to go ahead and buy the hair and eyelash extension business plan template, the link is right here. And if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates, you just want your darn business plan written for you, I do offer custom business plan services. I do offer custom business plan writing services. All you have to do is just go to my prices page right here, select a package, and we can have a great conversation about how I can write your business plan for you. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.